So this video is meant to explain the assignment tracker for 7th grade. So basically this is split into each homeroom. So at the bottom, if your student is in Bears, Bears is the first one. If your student is in Yale, you would just press Yale. And if your student is in USF, then you would hit USF. So basically what this is a tracker that will track how many assignments your student completed each week in each class. So the classes you have is science and social studies, math, and ELA. So each week, the teachers will be putting in how many assignments each student has completed for that class. So for example, what you'll do is you'll find your student's last name, and if you find their last name, you will see on week 1, which was September 28th, how many assignments they completed. So if you look at Miss Greer, she completed all of her assignments in science slash social studies, which is a total of 3 assignments, which is why I have a 3 right there. She completed all of her math, so she got 3 points, and she completed all of her ELA. So in total, she got 110%. The reason why she got 110% is because she also participated in PE. And if you participate in PE, you get a bonus point. So here, if we look at Miss Lewis, for example, this week she did all of her science, but if you notice, she has a 2 in math, which means that if you have a 2 in math, there was one assignment that was missing, and so you would know that your student didn't complete a math assignment that week because they have a 2 instead of a 3. And so each week you could check the person's assignments and see what they did, and then reach out to the teachers to see what they could do to make it up. And so on the side, this goal means how many assignments they should have by each week. So the first week they should have had 10 because it's 10 assignments total. The second week they should have a total of 20 assignments. Third week they should have a total of 30 assignments, etc. Now this percentage, what it means is how much they completed that week, only that week. So this person, Mr. Kavanaugh, it says 50%, which means he only completed 50% of his assignments for week 2. This person only completed 70%, for example. This person completed 100% of assignments, so you know that they completed every assignment that they needed to. So if you have any questions about the tracker, please feel free to let me know. This is super important just to make sure that your student is on track, because sometimes on Google Classroom it's a lot harder to check. So if you have any further questions about this tracker, let me know, but each week it will be updated so you could check how much they completed that week.